Hello guys, yes, we are here once again. So I hope you have fixed your own windows and door. In our last lecture, we did this once and we told you guys to go back and do the remaining as an assignment. So I've done mine and I hope you have done yours too. You can see mine, you can see the kind of door I fixed here. These are my doors. So I think I'm going to shift this. I'll shift this door inside. You can see. So So I hope you have done yours. So this is the way it's supposed to look like. So I hope you have done yours. So I'll just go and shift all this to this. So this is the toilet door. Okay. So do this. So this is it. This is the kitchen door. So this is, you take your time and do yours. So this is a ballad on, our Lord. So I hope you have done yours. So let's leave this and continue what we are doing. So take your time and do it, okay? So after fixing your doors the way you want, after modeling and fixing your doors the way you want, the next thing is to place this. Place this first floor. How to do that? You simply go to this, get this, let's get this. Okay, let's move it. Let's push it. 150. 0.150. You can see what we are doing. Let's see what we can do. You can see the slab. So just take your time, do yours. These are slab. So we have gotten the slab. So what we do is to place this. Let's place this. Select this. Make sure we select everything. So you must press your control so it can go up, So you placed it here. And this one is still here. So we'll clean it up later. With this, and it's okay. So you have placed it here. You can see, you can take this up. So you must press your control. I don't know why this is looking like this. Let's see why it is like this. See, when you press all here, this is looking different. So I don't know why. So return it back to where it is. And come back here. Check why. Select it again. Select it again. Let's select everything. Press control. So before you allow it be, make sure that everything is in order. So I've done it, but the problem is this word. So this we knew how we got this. So we are going to also mark it out later. But for now, this is what we have gotten. So if you want to raise this up, okay, so I'm raise it up. Let's raise it to 3. So we are raising it up. So this is it. So I hope it is clear and understandable. So thank you so much for watching, and I hope you understood this. Let's leave it for here. Let us leave it now for here. Let's leave it here for today. So when next we come with the market here, which you already knew what to do. So you can also do yours while I do mine. Thank you so much, and I hope you understood what